Hi there, I'm Rhonda, and I help makers turn their digital designs into income. On my channel, you'll get quick tutorials, cool tools, and simple strategies to grow your digital product business. If you want daily AI prompts, trend tips, and a fun community that gets it, join us in our AI Profit Society. I left a link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And now, without any further delay, let's get into today's video. Hey guys, it's Rhonda. In this video, we're back in Kittl. I wanted to do a couple Kittl videos since they are offering the free image generations this week. I thought it was a really good time to get in here and play. So I wanted to show you that the Smartboards aren't just for your own designs and your own generations, okay? We can use Kittl templates and use the Smartboards with them too. So I logged in here to Kittl, and on my left menu, I just clicked on the templates link, and it brought up, a bunch of different templates. We have ones for merchandise, we have marketing, we have social, stationery, branding, all kinds of stuff. So I am in here in the merchandise templates, and I'm going to look through here, and you know what? I like this one, this choose to shine. So I'm just going to click on use template, and it's going to open this up in my Kittl editor. There we go. And it should already be, yes, it's already on an artboard. Okay. You don't have to add it to any others. Now, I know what I don't like right away. Okay. First of all, I want to get rid of this dark background. I want to make it white. So now I want to change my text to a different color, which is super easy to do. I'm just going to make it black. Okay, so now I think I'm going to change the text color on this one too, but I'm not going to go black for that. I think I'm going to make it like maybe like a yellow. Let me grab my paint tool here. Let me grab. No, I think I am going to stick with white for that because it is over top of the flower. So I did a little bit of editing to it just because of colors, but now I can click on, let me zoom out just a little and get rid of this side panel. I can click on the little purple dot to start a smartboard. And now I can go and reimagine this design just like I would for any other. Change the flower in this design to a, uh, let's do tiger lily, okay? And it will do that. And we can do just like we do with anything else. We can make multiple artboards and get different, change the saying on this design. I can leave the sunflower and, okay, that one failed for some reason. Let's try it again. Change the saying. But here we have our tiger. Nope, it doesn't like that. Okay. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Um, change the flower to a rose. But you can create artboards from existing templates. So you can, take a design they've already done for you and reimagine it for different things. So there's one. Oops. Let's come over here. Let me grab another one. Let's find one that is mostly text. Let's come back here to discover. Let's do this one, stay kind. And again, it's going to open it on an artboard for me in my editor. And I'm just going to select the artboard. Click on the name, okay? And create the smartboard from it. And let's say change the phrase to "you are enough." That one, we started out with "stay kind." Now we are going to change it up to something new. Okay, and there's our "you are enough." You know what? I really like that. So let's do this again. Let's take this artboard. Let's make another one. Let's do the same thing. Change the phrase to "you are enough." Oops. And the color to blue. And let's see what we get from that. But you could take this simple "stay kind." I just like the style of it. You could take that simple "stay kind" and make a variety of different typography designs like this in different colors with different sayings. And if you don't know what to put on it, you don't have an idea of what you want it to say, well, that's all right. Let's come over here to ChatGPT and say, give me a list of 10 positive affirmations that would look good on a t-shirt design. Keep them short, 2 or 3 words. And, Bob will give you a list, or Bob, I call him Bob. All right, ChatGPT will give you a list of different short affirmations that you could use to create multiple designs. So change the phrase to "good vibes" and the colors to a retro palette. I'm not even going to give it a specific color. I just want it to give me like retro vibes with it. So let's see. But doing it this way saves you from having to completely redesign the entire. There we go. Um, that looks great. I like the pink behind it and the like mustard yellow. That looks good. And you can keep doing this. Let's say, let's go grab another one of ours. Choose joy. We come back in here. Just paste that in, and it'll overwrite this one. Since we already had the "you are enough," let's change this one to "choose joy" in the blue. Alrighty, there you go. So I just wanted to show you that it is super easy to still use these artboards with the templates that Canva gives us. And if you're already in your editor and you want to do some more, you can click over here on your left and bring up templates. And you could search for, let's say we want to do, let's search for nurse, okay? And I like this design. Hold on. Here we go. Let's zoom in a little. So, oop, went a little too. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's find these now. There we go. Okay, this is one for neonatal nurse. I like that. But now you could change this. Let's select that artboard. Change this for, let's say, labor and delivery nurse. Give it a new color palette. So that Their template was for a neonatal nurse, but we're changing it up with a little bit different color palette and making it a labor and delivery. And we can do this for, I'm just going to grab this prompt here and I'm going to paste it in. And instead of labor and delivery, let's do pediatric. But you can create an entire bundle of nursing designs based off of this original template. There we go, pediatric nurse. Now, sometimes Kittl doesn't always spell right, so make sure that it looks, everything is spelled properly. And let's do one more. Which one should we do? Let's say we have pediatric, labor and delivery. Let's do, uh, emergent trauma nurse, okay? Like an emergency room nurse. That would be something fun. And you could go a step further and, have it replace the flowers for something else. I don't like this. I don't like how it made trauma big and nurse small. So let's rerun that. Maybe it'll give it to us in the way we would like it, Again, it is AI, so sometimes you just have to redo your whole thing here. And I don't care for that at all. So we're going to delete that. And then we are going to come up here. We're going to select the new one. All right, and let's pop that in here. Let's do ER trauma. Let's try it that way. It might just be how we're putting it together, or it might just have it in its head that this is the way it wants to do the trauma nurse, and that's that. There we go. That one looks better. We have the nurse, and then it says ER trauma. But, now we could, let's say we like that design, but replace the flowers with nursing elements related to the ER. Okay, and let's see what we get. Okay, so here is our trauma nurse. Let's move this over so you can see it a little better. And it kept some florals, but it also added a stethoscope, a syringe, scissors, blood bag, an ambulance. So that came out really cute. You could create an entire bundle of designs just from existing templates in here. You don't have to start from scratch. And that's what I absolutely love about these art boards is there's just so many different directions you can go with them. And the Smartboards, the Kittl Flow system. There's just so much you can do. So let's go here and let's grab another nurse, but what we're going to do is swap it out for different. Here we go. Here's another kind of like vintage feeling design. Let me make it a little bigger. It says nurse life is the best life, okay? Now I do want to get rid of the colored background. And now I'm going to tell it, reimagine this design for a speech therapist using appropriate and relevant elements and colors. Okay, so let's see what it does here. Now we're going to change that to speech therapist, and let's do another one. And this time we're gonna, there we go, speech therapy. I'm going to grab that same prompt and I'm just going to change it up a little bit for electrician using appropriate and relevant elements and colors. So you can go beyond like the healthcare and just do a series of different occupations. Like the speech therapy one is pretty cool. I like that. And electrician life is the best life. That one looks pretty cool. Let's do another. Let's paste this in and let's do truck driver. And again, we are just going to let that generate. Okay, and here is our truck driver. I like that. I'm not sure I like the wings on this. So for that, all I would do is I would make a smartboard off of this one because I like everything about this except the wings. So now I'm just going to say remove the wings. That's all we want it to do. And when you get a design you like, you can build off of that. So here we go. We got rid of the wings and now it's just the truck there. Trucker life is the best life. And you could add different elements if you wanted. I'm just, showing you how you can build off of existing templates in Kittl. All right, and let's get rid of those. And let's do, what should we look for now? Let's do dogs, okay? Because, there we go. Bulldog doghouse. Let's get rid of that old artboard there. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, bulldog doghouse. So now, again, here is where you can create an entire bundle of designs for different dog breeds just based off of this. So let's say change the dog to a poodle. And change the dog to a German Shepherd. See? And there we have it. We have, now it does say bulldog still. I forgot to change the dog to a poodle and change the word bulldog to poodle. And again, I made that mistake here and change the word bulldog to German Shepherd. See, now it says poodle dog house. And this is going to say German Shepherd dog house. But you can do an entire series of different dog breeds just from a template that you already found here in Kittl. We can get rid of the colors. Now, I didn't bother to remove that background before I created my smartboards, but I can do that afterwards. That's no big deal. But you can see that, you don't have to come in here with a prompt ready, knowing exactly what you want to make. Kittl supplies us with a ton of templates. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below. You can join our free community, and there's always somebody in there to help you. I just wanted to show you that you don't have to start from scratch when you're using Smartboards in Kittl. You can use any of the templates that are available to you in here and reimagine them, remix them, redesign them into something else entirely using the Smartboard system, the Kittl Flow system. All right. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.